Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mathematics 12 class lesson. This is Lahfa Miss from Huravee school. Today's lesson will be conducted by me and Shaha Miss from Omadhoo school.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to teleclass of Mathematics grade 6. I am Shaha Miss. Before starting today's lesson, there is a small scenario that I want to share with you all. Let's have a look into it.
Noah's house had a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius. He put the heating on and the temperature rose by 8 degrees Celsius. As he was still cold, Noah decided to light a fire which increased the temperature by a further 13 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature in the house now? So, how can we help Noah? Yes, we need to learn addition and subtraction of integers to solve these types of problems. In this lesson, you will learn how to add and subtract integers, and you will be successful if you can use number line to add and subtract integers. Also, use addition and subtraction rule to find the answer of the given question. So let's learn addition and subtraction of integers. Let's look at some examples on it. Here blue is for positive and red is for negative. Question is plus 3 plus minus 5. Here 3 is a positive number and 5 is a negative number. So first what we are doing is we have to add 3 positive counters and 5 negative counters. That means 3 blue counters and 5 red counters. After that we have to remove the 0 pairs. Here we can remove 3 0 pairs. And now how many are left? Yes, very good. 2 negative pairs are left here. So what will be the answer? Yes. So the answer will be minus 2. Therefore, plus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 2.
Students, you can also add and subtract negative and positive integers using number line. Let's watch a video about how you can add and subtract negative and positive integers using number line.
Hello kids! We already know what integers are. Today, let us learn addition and subtraction of integers using a number line. Let's begin. Addition of integers using a number line. Let us look at a few examples. Example 1. Add positive 5 plus positive 3. Firstly, start from 0 and move 5 places to the right. We reach positive 5. Now, move 3 places to the right from positive 5 and reach positive 8. Look, we found the answer. Yes, it is positive 8. Hence, positive 5 plus positive 3 is equal to positive 8. Example 2. Find negative 5 plus negative 4. Start from 0 and move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. We reach negative 5. Now, on moving another 4 places to the left from negative 5, we reach -9. Hence, -5 plus -4 is equal to -9. Example 3. Find 3 plus -5. Firstly, start from 0 and move 3 places to the right. We reached +3. Now, we move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction from +3 and reach -2. Therefore, 3 plus -5 is equal to -2. Lastly, example 4. Find -5 plus +2. Start from 0 and move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. Look, we have reached -5. From -5, we move 2 places to the right and reach -3. Thus, we get the answer as -5 plus +2 is equal to -3. Coming to subtraction of integers using a number line. Let us solve a few examples to understand in a better way. Example 1. Find -3 minus 4. Step 1. Change the subtraction problem into an addition problem, that is, change the sign of subtrahend from positive to negative or negative to positive. So, here on changing, we get the addition problem as -3 plus -4. Step 2. Follow the rules used for addition using the number line. Start from 0 and move 3 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. Look, we have reached -3. From -3, we move 4 places again to the left and reach -7, which is the answer. Example 2. Find -5 minus -3. So, here on changing the subtraction problem into addition problem, we get the new question as -5 plus +3. Now, let us use the number line to solve this problem. Start from 0 and move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. From this point, we move 3 places to the right and reach -2. Thus, we get the answer as -2.
So now, let's learn how to do addition and subtraction of integers using the addition and subtraction rules. So first, let's look on to the rules of addition and subtraction, and then we will look on to some examples.
Rules of addition and subtraction of positive and negative integers. If you have a positive and positive, you are going to add and write positive sign in the answer. If you have a negative and negative, you are going to add and write negative sign in the answer. If you have a positive and negative, you are going to subtract and write the sign of the bigger number in the answer. Similarly, if you have a negative and positive, you will be subtracting and writing the sign of the bigger number in the answer. So here we can see if we have same sign positive and same sign negative and negative, we will be adding and writing the respective sign. If it is 2 positives, we write positive sign in the answer. If it is 2 negatives, we write negative sign in the answer. And also we can see if we use different signs, positive and negative, we are subtracting and writing the sign of the bigger number. Example 1. Plus 7 plus 8. So this is addition of two positive integers. So in addition, what you will do is write the first number in the question as it is, plus 7, and write the second number also as it is, plus 8. So plus 7 and plus 8 is two positive integers, right? So you will be adding and writing the positive sign. So add 7 and 8, you will be getting 15. Then write the positive sign. So plus 7 and plus 8 will give you plus 15. Example 2. Minus 9 plus minus 4. This is addition of two negative integers, right? So in addition, what you will do? Write first number in the question as it is and write the second number also in the question as it is. So minus 9 minus 4. So this is two negative integers, right? So same sign we will be adding and writing the negative sign. So add 9 and 4 you will get 13, right? Then write the negative sign. So minus 9 minus 4 will give you minus 13. Example 3. Plus 7 plus minus 8. So this is addition of a positive and a negative integer, right? So write first number as it is and second number also as it is. So you will write plus 7 and you will write minus 8. This is a positive and negative integer, right? Two different signs. So what we will do? We will be subtracting and writing the sign of the bigger number, right? So subtract 8 and 7, you will get 1, right? Then write the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger number here you can see is 8, isn't it? And 8 is having what sign? Minus sign. So our answer will be having a minus. Okay, so plus 7 and minus 8 will give you minus 1. Example 4. Plus 7 minus plus 8. So this is subtraction of two positive integers, right? So in subtraction, what we will do is we will be writing first number as it is and the second number we will write after changing the sign. That is the difference between addition and subtraction questions. Okay, if it is subtraction, we will be writing the second number after changing the sign. So it will be plus 7 and since it is plus 8 in the question, we will be writing minus 8. So this is a positive and negative integer, right? So we will be subtracting and writing sign of the bigger number. So subtract 8 and 7 will give you 1 and the bigger number here you can see is 8 and 8 is having a minus. So you will be writing minus in the answer. So plus 7 and minus 8 will give you minus 1. Example 5. Minus 4 minus 9. So you can see it is subtraction of two negative integers, right? So write the question. Write the first number as it is and the second number we will be writing after changing the sign, right? If it is minus 9, we will be writing plus 9. So this is also a negative and positive integers, different sign. So we will be subtracting and writing the sign of the bigger number, right? So subtract 9 and 4 will give you 5, right? And the bigger number here is 9. So 9 is having what sign? Plus sign. So the answer also should be having the plus sign. So minus 4 and plus 9 will give you plus 5. Example 6. Plus 7 minus 8. So here you can see it is subtraction of a positive and negative integer, right? Rewrite the question. So you will be writing first number as it is. Second number we will be writing after changing the sign since it is subtraction, right? So we will be writing plus 8. Since the question is having minus 8, we will be writing plus 8, right? So we have plus 7 and plus 8, that is two positive integers. So we will be adding and writing the positive sign. So add 7 and 8, you will get 15 and write the positive sign, right? So plus 7 and plus 8 will give you plus 15. Okay?
So, when we do addition and subtraction of integers using the addition and subtraction rules, if it is an addition question, we write the first number as it is in the question and write the second number also as it is in the question and follow the addition and subtraction rules. If it is a subtraction question, what we do is we write the first number in the question as it is and we write the second number of the question after changing the sign of it and then apply the addition subtraction rules, right? So now let's play a quiz on what we have learned today.
So now that you know how to add and subtract positive and negative integers, let's play a game. I'm going to show you some multiple choice questions. What you have to do is you have to guess and tell the answer within 15 seconds. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Question 1. When you add integers with different signs, A always get a positive, B always get a negative, C add and keep the signs, D subtract and take sign of the larger number. What is the correct answer here? Very good. The answer is D. Subtract and take sign of the larger number. Question 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to A minus 2, B 2, C 0, D minus 4. What is the answer here? Well done. The answer is B 2. Question 3. Minus 10 plus 10 is equal to A 20, B 0, C minus 20 or D 100. Very good. The answer is B 0. Question 4. Minus 4 minus 6 is equal to A 2, B 15, C 12, D minus 10. What is the correct answer? Yes, the answer is A 2. Question 5. Now in this question you have to use number line to solve the problem. Minus 1 minus 3 is equal to A 2, B minus 7, C minus 4 or D 5. Yes, the answer is C minus 4. Now here is the last question, question 6. In this question also you have to use number line. 5 plus minus 4 is equal to A minus 9, B minus 1, C 1 or D 3. Very good. The answer is C1.
Now that you have performed so well in this game, give yourselves a clap.
So now, will you be able to help No? I'm sure you can. So let's use the addition and subtraction rules and let's use the number line and help No.
Noor's house had a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius. He put the heating on and the temperature rose by 8 degrees Celsius. As he was still cold, Noor decided to light a fire which increased the temperature by a further 13 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature in the house now? So we have to find what was the temperature in the house now, isn't it? So in order to find that, from the question we know that Noor's house had a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius, isn't it? And also we know the temperature rose by 8 degrees Celsius. So in order to find the temperature, we have to add the two numbers, isn't it? Why we are adding? Because we know the temperature rose, so that means the temperature went up. Went up means we will be adding, isn't it? So we are adding the 12 and 8. So we will say plus 12 and plus 8 will be adding. So first what we can do, we can rephrase the question, right? So it is addition of two integers. So we can write the first number as it is and the second number also as it is. So plus 12 and plus 8. So in order to do this, let's use the number line. So we have drawn the number line. So in order to find using number line, the sign of the number indicates the direction and the number indicates how many times you move. Keep that in mind, okay? So always when using number line, you start from 0, okay? And then we will look at the first number sign. So first number sign is plus. So plus means we will be moving to the right. If it was minus, we will be moving to the left. This number, first number is having plus, so we will be moving to the right. So move to the right. How many times will we move? 12 times, okay? So we will be moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So now we are here, okay? Then we will look at the second number sign. Second number sign is plus. Sign indicates the way we move, the direction we move, right? So if it is plus, again we will be moving to the right. If it was minus, we will be moving to the left. Keep that in mind, okay? Since the second number is having a plus here, we will be moving to the right. So start moving to the right. How many times will we move? The number indicates. The number is 8. So we will be moving 8 times, right? So start moving to the right 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So our answer is 20. So we can say plus 12 plus 8 is plus 20. So now we can say Noor's house had a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Right? That's not all, isn't it? Known that after increasing the temperature by 8 degrees Celsius, Noor's house had a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, right? Then after that, still he was feeling cold and he decided to light a fire and it further increased the temperature by 13 degrees Celsius, right? So again, in order to find the answer, we have to add 20 and 13. Why? Because it is increasing. Increasing means it is addition. So we will be adding 20 and 13. So this is addition of two positive integers, right? So what we will do, rephrase the question. Write the first number as it is plus 20 and the second number also as it is plus 13 because that is addition, right? Then apply the rule. We have a positive and positive number here, isn't it? So we will be adding and writing positive sign. So we will add 20 and 13, we will get 33 and we will write the positive sign. So plus 20 plus 13 will give plus 33. So we know the temperature in the house is 33 degrees Celsius now, isn't it?
Well done, students. Hope you have learned how to do addition and subtraction of integers using the number line and using the addition and subtraction rules. Have a nice day, students.